Let me take. No, you go. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3.
Race now, race.
Hey guys, good morning. How you guys doing today? It has been a long time since I vlogged with Abigail. Say good morning today.
Good everyone.
Good morning guys, hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Okay, walking Abigail to school. She's going to school after today. She's Mrs. Pink today. I'm wearing pink too for my workout. I don't know where my sneakers. I forgot to wear my sneakers. I'll go back home to wear my sneakers, okay? How are you guys doing today? I miss you guys. I miss vlogging. Yes, I'm back on my game. Vlogging continue. Why are you shy? Why is it anything you get to both of you always shy? Don't mind this baby girl. Okay. Boss is here. Bye bye. I'll see you later, okay? Be good. Be a good girl, okay? Bye. Okay guys, I think the last time I vlogged was when I took Abigail to the bus stop, and I am back at home. I've been making some things behind the camera since that I did not show you guys. I'm about to cook, okay, and it's gonna be a cook with me video. That's why I said you know what, I didn't even bother to record the cleaning part. I've already prepped some of my ingredients. The meat, I've already washed the meat, cut the meat that I'm going to be using behind camera. Okay, now I'm done. Let me go take my shower. I'll go and take my shower, then I'll fix my hair so that I can make the video. It's going to be a separate video, okay? It's not going to be inside this vlog, but maybe after I finish cooking, I will show you guys the what I'm going to be cooking, okay? Then when I'm done cooking the food, okay, because I'm gonna make it like a separate video. But anyway, anyhow, let me show you guys the meat using. This is what I'll be doing behind the camera that you guys did not see. I've been watching all this meat. I just finished washing the meat. This is smoked chicken, goat meat, smoked turkey, and Mama. Okay, I've just finished washing them. Then I'll go and take my shower now so that I can come and film my video. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video, for your support, for the love. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Sorry guys about the vent, okay? I'm cooking. That's why you can hear the noise, okay? Let me go and freshen up. I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I am back. I finished taking my shower, okay? I'm ready right now. I'm all set. I'm about to make a video. I'm about to make a with me video. You guys stay tuned for the video. My ring light is set. I've already set up all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I still have all my meat here that I will be using. Okay, now it's just for me to set them up and get started. Let's cook this soup. Okay, let's cook this soup. I still have one more thing to do. Where's my... Okay, I'll see you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done cooking, or maybe I will show you guys a part of the video. Okay, I don't know yet, but just watch me. You're gonna see the finished look. Okay, my hair is poppy. I'm loving this hair, guys. This is the hair I did for my birthday. I'm still loving the hair. Oh my goodness.
2 hours later.
People know who go make up for life. Now those people therefore just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Now those people therefore just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa see the answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today, I dey drive in my phantom, they just they shout. I hope I full level, the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSP for Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh. People when no like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Now those people therefore just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Now those people therefore just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline it be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody
Okay,
knows
guys,
nobody knows
it has been a long day. I'm done cooking, and we just finished making a video. Me and Abigail make a mukbang video. Okay, I didn't really vlog that much today. I didn't really vlog much. Yeah, but right now I just want to take a walk for some minutes before, and we just finished eating. Me and Abigail will do the mukbang, and let's go for a walk. The kids are already out there. Woo, I'm so full, guys. This tastes so good. I don't know this vlog today. The get us again.
but today. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Oh, and my friend is busy. I just saw Amma. Hey, Titi. This is where you got. How are you? Good boy.
I don't have it. This is all I have. Stop! Why did you take the case off? This isn't yours. This is mine. I don't have it.
Look at Mamacita. Mamacita. Ready? You are on my video.
Oh, sorry.
You're on the way. Mamacita is. Oh, let me see your dance move. You guys need the exercise anyway. Mamacita, Mamacita, Mamacita. Mamacita is getting it. Mamacita is getting it. Yeah. Look at this one with what are you doing? TikTok. Your leg, eh?
Come on.
Where are you running to?
We're gonna go to the bus stop for a race.
Bus stop. You want to raise me? Come on.
No,
Alexa, come on. Hold this thing. Me and let me and Abigail race. Just cash on us, okay? Yeah, Abigail one. Oh, I'm not wearing sneakers. It's Abigail, okay. Come on. Let's race. So who will get to the bus stop first? Let me take.
no, you go.
I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3.
Race now, race.
Yeah.
I'll.
Huh? Yeah. On your mark. Get set. Go. Come on, run back. Run back.
I want to race them.
You want to race them?
Stop. Oh my God.
Oh. Oh yeah. On your mark. Are you there? Come on, let's On your mark, set, go! Abigail cannot even run.
I'm not even running. I'm not even running.
Yes, sir.
One more. Go back. Go back.
Okay, guys, I think I want to end the video right here. We are done. I am done. I just want to call it a day. Yeah. I think the kids are having fun, and me too, we are having fun. Abigail, come, let's end the video. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. We appreciate every one of you. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime we post a video. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
And from Jojo, bye.
Stay hydrated.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.